Hi everyone, Donut here. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's watch a shooting. Pittsburg, California. A mentally ill man or a man on drugs or both at the same time calls Pittsburg, California police and tells them that he's being framed.
Hello, how are you? I want to report that I'm being framed right now by an apartment building. I live in 2721, and I'm being framed right now because I found I left my family last night to go home and to take drugs just to figure out that I was being framed. Even my last cases, even my bail.
You can tell he's having a pretty serious breakdown right now, A, because of what he says, and B, because he's actually calling them from the roof of a restaurant.
The people I gotta deal with. Look at this. There's people I'm dealing with.
A person at another local business calls 911 and says that she sees a man with a gun.
Somebody's outside with a gun?
Yeah, we have officers that are there. Are you able to lock your doors and keep yourself inside?
Yeah, we're locked inside the beauty supply right now.
Now police are responding to a pretty serious little situation here. We got a dude who's obviously a little bit, off his rocker or off his meds or on too many meds on top of a roof with a gun. First officer to arrive on scene says, "Get on the ground." Dude says no. And then he reaches over into the wheel well of the truck and grabs a gun off of the tire and takes off running.
Get on the ground now.
No, I'm not going with you.
X5, one at gunpoint. Don't reach for it. He's got a black male subject running with a pistol. He's going towards beauty supply. Hey, put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Lie down now. Hey, watch the crossfire. X5, shots fired.
The initial officer on scene is trying to find him while the other officers are just showing up behind him. Let's take a look at the officer's body camera who actually fires the shot, striking the suspect in the arm.
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Shots fired.
He gets out of his car, draws his service pistol, starts to walk up to the suspect when the suspect turns around and points the gun in his direction. As you can see right here, the dude was pointing the gun directly at the officer. He doesn't really want to listen at first, but the officer who showed up on scene initially has a pretty good command presence. He's dropping some pretty strong F-bombs, and plus the suspect has a bullet in his arm now, so he starts paying attention to what they're saying.
X5, shots fired. You're framing me! Do not move! Lie down on the ground!
You're framing me! Do not move!
Sprawl out now!
No.
Do not reach for anything. Keep your hands in the fucking air.
Hallucinating.
Yeah, I understand. Keep your fucking hands in the air now. Do not reach for a goddamn thing. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Roll onto your stomach. Now, get out of the fucking way.
On your stomach.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
They framing me.
Hey, if you listen to what the fuck I'm telling you to do right now, you're gonna get help. Lay on your fucking stomach. Keep your hands out. Do you understand me? You move, you will get shot.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me? Hey, move in. Do not fucking move. You move, I will shoot you.
Let me go ahead and point out too that you got to be some kind of special to stand in the line of fire of a police officer who just got in a shooting and film them on your cell phone. I see you back there. Yeah, you dummy. You big stupid.
You move, I will shoot you.
The officer tells her what's up though.
He's got a gun. Get the fuck out of here.
Go ahead. Don't move.
I'm being framed.
Get the gun.
I got the gun.
I'm being framed.
Great job by the Pittsburg, California Police Department. They put the suspect in handcuffs, immediately started rendering aid, got the guy to the hospital, and then took him to jail. Hopefully this dude can get the help that he needs and he won't be climbing on top of restaurants with guns and stuff. So what do we learn from all this? Oh, you are so stupid. If a cop just got in a gunfight, and you're standing in their line of fire. Anyways, everyone, I'm gonna be streaming as soon as this video is released. Hang out over at twitch.tv/downloadoperator. You can subscribe to me for free using your Amazon Prime account over there, and it helps support the channel. I have a Patreon. I have merch with bunker branding. Oops, might be. Other than that, have a fantastic day.